Do you struggle with time management or just knowing the order of when you should do things? Well, you're in luck because today we are finishing our two-part video series all about how to fix your prioritizing problems here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I love helping clients better understand time management issues. So here we are with part two of fixing your prioritizing problems. If you missed part one, you can look up here on the right-hand corner and you can click over to watch part one first. All right, challenge number 4. I have so many interests. How can I do them all? Well, try rotating your activities. That way you have more time to enjoy a variety of interests. And my suggestion is to use the seasons and divide up the year into 4 zones. And you could schedule 1 or 2 favorite activities for every season. So for example, you can work on scrapbooking or playing tennis in the fall. You can attend concerts or take cooking classes in the winter. You can pursue bike riding or gardening in the spring. And you can travel in the summer. Bottom line is you could still do it all, just not all things all at the same time. Here's a very popular challenge for a lot of people. I am so busy. I don't have time to eat right or get enough sleep. Hey, I get it. And I used to be that person, but I can speak from personal experience when I say that if you burn your candle at both ends, you end up even further behind because if you get sick, you're going to be out for several days. So resist the urge to stay up later or to get up ridiculously early just to increase how much time you have to work on something. And it is important to nourish yourself with proper nutrition and get that rest because when you eat better, you make better choices about fueling your body and you get the rest for your body. You're going to be more healthy. You're going to be more focused. You're going to be more energized. And all those things are going to help you get things done effectively and efficiently. I know it may seem counterintuitive when I say this, but you're actually going to accomplish more when you do less. If that doesn't make sense to you, try this mantra. I can't take care of anyone if I don't take care of myself. If you spend a little more time getting your rest and getting the proper nutrition, you're going to get more done, even if it seems like you have a little bit less time to do it. Try it. Tell me in the comments if these changes make sense to you. I'd love to hear from you. And here's our final challenge. And I will admit, this is a hard one even for me as a professional organizer. I get lost surfing the web and I struggle to finish tasks on time. I get it. We all need a mindless activity or stress reliever at times. I too have favorite websites I like to surf. I have favorite games I like to play on my phone. I have YouTube videos that I like to watch, and I hope you like these videos. But the key is you want to have a boundary. Otherwise, you can really get lost in things like these videos. I'll give you an example. When you watch a YouTube video, including mine, what does YouTube do at the end of the video? They give you suggestions. Oh, you liked that video? Try this one. And before you know it, an hour could have gone by and you thought you were just going to watch one 5-minute video. So how do we solve this problem? It's simple. You just need to find the balance. Set a goal to do your work for 45 to 50 minutes each hour, but then use 10 or 15 minutes for playtime. but it's really important that you use a timer for both types of activities so that you know when to switch, so that you don't get caught up doing work for 4 or 5 hours straight and then being exhausted, so that you don't end up playing around for an hour and a half or 2 hours when you really needed to get work done. Use the timer on both ends so that you know, okay, now I'm working, now I get a break. Break's over, now I'm working. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.